Hello guys, welcome to another video. We are here with... What the hell just happened? We are here with Fat Gramps, a Banana Man, and where the hell is the other guy?
My back broke.
An Ugly Dwarf, okay. Alright, get your grapplers, and then we're gonna go to...
I need my pills.
You need your pills. Bro, this is shocking.
I'm the good old American.
Hey, wait, do you guys want to see my... pet?
Oh, I feel like I know what you're gonna pull out. You're gonna pull out a dead body.
Yeah. Oh, where's the tiny one?
I have like 20 of them.
Alright, this is my little...
Bro,
Oh, man, can I eat him?
No. Do you want to pet him?
I
Yes.
need my pills.
I pet him.
I need my alcohol.
Bro.
Hey, Snowball. Hey, Snowball, go
This is
eat.
my pet.
Pikachu.
It's
I don't know.
Peekaboo.
I don't know if I still have my Pikachu one.
Hey, you.
My walking stick's bigger than your walking stick.
Ooh, my back broke.
I have a pumpkin pie.
My back broke.
Oh, I have like 20 of those from a modder. But
Guys,
dead
walking
bodies
up
do
the
enjoy
stairs.
pumpkin pies. I know that.
Let me just walk off the stairs. Hey, cat, let me just walk up the stairs.
Hey, Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa.
I fell off the stairs.
Oh, but we're gonna go to sewers or not?
Let me get on the. Let me
You
get
like
off
my
the
hammer?
stairs.
I think he's
Are
gonna
you
die.
waking?
I want to tell you something. I don't have enough. I only have 5 minutes.
Wait, red cat.
I only have
Do you
5
like
minutes.
my hammer? Is this normal size? Do you want
It's a tasty hammer, and no, it's not.
Hey, Cheeto. Hey, you. Hey, you. Taki. Hey, Taki.
That's a banana.
You wanna
shit.
see something cool? You wanna see a magic trick?
I have 5 bags of bananas.
You wanna see a magic trick?
Come on now, let's do the. Let's go to sewers. Come on.
You
Yeah,
wanna see
I've
a
been
magic
recording.
trick?
I've been recording. Come on.
You wanna see a magic trick?
We are doing this. No, I don't want to see a magic trick. God damn it.
I don't have. Somebody buy me a flashlight.
How do I get down?
You're gonna have to. You're gonna have to sacrifice an arm. Whee!
Oh, my back.
Ah! Oh, maybe I should. Bomb! Bomb! He's dead.
Clarky.
Mimic!
What?
Revive
What
him.
map are you in?
My spirit is living.
I got pooped.
We're in soup. What are you in? Clarky, what map are you in?
We're in sewers.
Forest?
Sewers! Let's beat him up.
I have clusters in here. If you guys want me to kill him, just get away.
My ball stick.
This is an
Are you in
RPG.
forest?
No, I said sewers.
My walking stick is really strong.
This is horrifying. I hate this. Oh, we're good.
Magic.
Go. Okay, we're good.
Wait. Let's wait that red out. We're like the only... Triple kill!
Clarky, we don't have a purpose to be here?
Yeah, we do.
We're just gonna stay here and bully the worm. If he comes. Ow.
I'm gonna get valuables. Yeah, Banana, why don't we get valuables?
My walking stick is strong.
Should we go find the worm, guys?
No.
You missed.
You can't
Everyone, come to the lobby. Everyone, come to spawn.
Oh, we're already deep in sewers, bro. We are not going back to spawn.
Everyone, come.
Bro, wait.
I guess we can take the short way out.
Everyone, come to spawn if you want some tiny dawn hammers.
Bro, who the hell is in my code right now?
Guys, what map are y'all in? Silvers, are you dead?
Uh-oh. Oh, I'm alive. Lurking. You painting. Oh god, I think I'm dead. Oh! Oh my god, there's no way I did that. There's actually no way I did that.
Yo, guys, there's a tape over there.
Tape.
Guys, help me! I'm slipping!
But yeah, he's slipping, guys. Just go save him. Alright guys, come on. Oh, let's take the short way out.
The sewers that didn't seal.
I slipped!
Follow him, guys.
Wait for me, guys. Oh, you guys are going that way, okay. Yeah, the short way out. Wake up.
You want some banana chips?
Bro, this kid, he's just scamming us to leave. Oh, what?
You go away!
Bro, leave my goddamn code. Goodbye. Bro, leave my code. Get the hell out of my...
Guys,
My friends
look
in
up
this
Gramps.
code.
Look up Gramps.
Hold on,
Look up, guys.
I'll have to do something real quick.
Bro, I have a whole bag
Guys,
of
look
those. I have a huge
Me
one.
too.
Hey, Cat, look up.
I have 5 bag of those.
Cat, look
My
up.
friends
Yeah,
in this
small,
code.
not surprising.
I don't give a shit.
Cat,
Look up. I don't want to leave.
everyone, look at us. Look up.
Is this
Bro,
your
this is
code?
my
Did you
goddamn
buy it?
code. You're leaving.
Wait,
Fine.
Red, come here. Red, join my
Fine,
code so
go
I
leave.
can kick them from the code. I
It's
bought
okay,
it for
bro.
1,000 company
Bro,
points.
it's okay. It's okay.
Fine.
Oh, we can stay in here because the
out.
guy's leaving.
Where'd I come from?
Alright. Just in case.
I
Good old American.
have. Come on, let's go to vents, guys. For the second part of the video.
Vents doesn't usually have anything good for...
Oh no, just to like speed run it and have fun.
Cat, let me make my intro, okay? Cat, let me make my intro.
Oh, you're already in a video, bro. You're good. You're chill. Oh, okay, I think he's dead.
And,
Oh wait, is that a banana?
Finally.
Banana.
I'm gonna have a very scrumptious worm. Hey guys, do you want to see my pet worm?
Okay.
He's a very good boy.
Yo, guys,
Can I touch him?
Get him, parasite.
Hey, can I hold him for a second?
Hey guys, I think I'm hungry.
Let me hold him.
bro, your eyes go out your eye
You look
socket.
like a
Look,
weasel.
look what I have.
Man, you look like a weasel.
Oh man, you look like a fat grandpa.
Thank you.
Yes.
I drink beer. I drink beer for breakfast.
We can tell, bro.
Okay, let me just make my intro real quick.
Hey grandpa, want some Sprite?
No. Let me just drink.
What is that?
I think I need this money.
Let me drink my
Oh,
pills.
so let's go to vents.
Let me just drink my pills. Let me. Hey,
Come on
let me
now.
just swallow my pills.
It's in
really
there.
forcefully.
It's in your book bag.
This?
I can't. Let me just swallow my pills
There's no way.
very forcefully.
Pools. Oh.
I think I shitted it out.
Yeah, I think you did.
What is this?
I'm coming back soon. I'm going to the
Oh shit! Shit!
I need goop.
Let's see if a banana is waterproof.
Cat.
Oh wait!
You want to see a
wait!
magic trick?
Oh wait, guys!
Cat, you want-
Oh
Cat,
wait,
you wanna see-
look! Hey guys, look! Oh, the item stealer!
Oh.
I have made the special
cat.
ingredient.
Cat.
Guys, the special
Cat.
ingredient.
You
The
wanna
item
see a
stealer.
Cat. Hey, Cat, you want to see a magic trick? Cat, come over here. Come over here, Cat.
What?
Hey, Cat. Come over here. What?
Yo, you like my outfit?
Hey, do you like my special
Hey,
technique?
banana.
Thanks for the book bag, bro.
No,
Banana. Hey,
No.
banana.
it's empty anyway.
What's in there?
Over here.
Oh.
yeah.
Of course it is.
Cause I'm a stupid scammer. This is my nut.
I'm a scammer.
Get
Gets
off my nut.
what the fuck?
This
No.
is kid friendly.
Bro, is there another person?
Not that I know of, but this
Oh,
this
finally.
video's kids friendly. Ram.
Hey,
My shotgun.
I broke the scale. Help me.
Come on,
Help me.
I need this.
consider this.
I need this item stealer to work, bro.
Take it off. Ram. Hey, get on the scale again. Get on the scale again real quick.
Okay. I'm taking my time. Let me get on the scale.
Okay. It says you're 5,000 tons.
It can be.
Oh, I think I broke it.
Why does it say 5?
Hey, Grandpa.
4,
Grandpa,
0,
get back on
0,
stage.
0, 6.
Grandpa, go onto the thingy. Go onto your.
On what?
This.
You're right,
Go onto this.
The scale?
Yeah, go on the scale.
Wait, what does it say?
Just stay on the scale.
5,444
I said go.
pounds. What
I said
does
go.
5,444 pounds mean?
It means you're a fat fuck.
It means in kilo, but it says kilograms.
Killed yourself, idiot.
Wow, such inspiring words.
I broke it.
He killed himself with a grenade launcher because when it cluster, normal grenades exploded
What is this?
Hey,
when he was on.
Andy.
No, that's it.
hey, Gramps. Hey, Gramps. Want a break from the ads?
Huh?
Oh, he's dead.
Let me
What
just
was in
get
here?
on the scale real quick.
Oh, yo, dwarf
Okay.
guy.
Oh, you broke the
It says-
freaking scale.
Hey, dwarf. Do you want a break from the ads?
4,444.
Sure.
5,467.
Hey, banana. Hey, banana.
Want a break from the ads?
I gotta take a shit.
Hey, Grandpa, you should go back on the scale.
I don't think that's a good idea. Last time it
Hey.
exploded.
Hey, you want a break from the ads?
No.
Yeah, if I go to the stage.
Hey, do you guys want a tasty Galaxy egg?
Sure. Just cook it up for me.
One egg.
Gourmet.
Hey, give me that egg. Oh shit! Help me! Can't fit.
I'll take a
You
shot.
should go down.
I can't fit.
This is a taste. Alright, guys, eat the egg.
Oh, what the heck? What is that?
Alright.
It's an egg.
Good.
Yum yum.
But one thing that could be better, come here. Come here.
Hold up.
What's this? What's this dish? What is this piece of junk?
Ukulele.
What is this piece
No.
of junk?
Grandpa, don't do.
Can't see anything.
Hey,
Yeah.
come here.
I'm in
This is what
heaven.
could be better to your eggs. It
I'm
needs
in
to
heaven.
have more of a crunch.
Excuse
God,
me,
I'm
I'm in
so
heaven.
Alright, I got the crunch, guys.
Guys, am I
It
in
needs to
heaven?
have more of a crunch.
Am I in heaven?
No, you're not in heaven. You're just flashbanging
blind.
yourself.
Am I blind or something?
Yeah, I think you are.
No, you're just flashbanging yourself.
I think I just got rid of a perfectly fine violin.
Hmm?
Oh no, it's over here. Come on, are we gonna go to events for what?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay,
Oh,
let
yeah.
me go fast mode.
Hold on, let me get my stuff because I was murdered.
Murder.
I'm a murderer. What would you say to that? Oh my god, I
You don't
keep
want
on
to go in
sticks.
caves? Everyone go in caves.
Why cave? I don't want to be
I'm gonna
mining.
go fast mode. Fast mode activated.
Brother's not so.
Man, I don't think so. Oh,
Eee! Bro, I don't like this area. I'm leaving. I left Grandpa all alone. I abandoned Gramps.
I'm back.
Alright, come on, let's go to events already. I'm gonna keep tightening this until my headset explodes. Well, I explode.
hey, banana.
Alright, come on, let's go to events.
I'm gonna get all this.
No, no.
Oh,
He died.
Yeah, I think he did. Come on, let's go to let's go to events, guys. Come on,
Then,
Ben's. Frick Ben.
did you say Ben for Ben?
Oh crap.
I'm going to Ben.
I think I gotta take a shit, guys. Ooh, good water. Well, I'm ready. Did you die? Come on, guys. We're already in vents. Whee! 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 Up! Ooh. I'm not going the right way. I think I'm lost. Where's the other? Ah! Banana, you scared the crap out of me. It got so much smaller, I feel like. Stop trying not shit in my face. Oh, he's over there. He's over there. Whack him. Go. Oh, he's coming.
come on, early.
I think he's scared of fights.
Yeah, that's how we avoid him.
Well, no.
Hey, bro, go up to him and give him a high five. I think he just. All he wants is a high five, man. Ugh, Jesus Christ. Bro, guys, come to vents.
I found Tyrannosaurus.
God.
How do we get out? Come to vents, guys. We're already in it.
Guys, I think Gramps died.
Oh no. Come to vents. Wait for the other guy. Wait for the other guy. Okay, never mind. We're going. Over there. Watch out. That was the longest gasp I have ever heard from him.
Yeah. Skateboard.
Hey, but come on. I'll come to vents. Oh, where are the minions?
I found a skateboard.
Look, me too. Oh, where are the minions? Monkey! I'm fearless.
The old big brain.
I think there's one behind us. Don't get too close to him, though.
I'm scaring him away.
Oh, this way. Banana, this way. We got too close. Alright, go. Oh,
He's gasping.
he's over there.
There's another one. There's another one.
Ooh, watch out. Go. We have to keep as much distance as we can. Go. Run for it.
I'm alive.
I'm about to die.
What the freak?
Are you shitting your pants?
Yeah. Aaron! Ammo!
He's over here. Run.
I see banana, I can't breathe.
Got him. We gotta kill him. Oh no, did he die? No, he's good. I think bananas. Well, if I'm out.